So today we're going to be looking at the side splitter theorem. The side splitter theorem is one of my favorite theorems because it only works when you have a mid-segment or a segment that is parallel to its base of a figure. How it works is actually quite simple. All you do is set up some proportions. All I'm going to do is do x over 12 equals, I'm going to zoom in, x plus 1 over 15. You now know what to do. I cross multiply and I solve for x. I get 15x equals 12 times whatever x plus 1 is. Whenever I have a number on the outside of my parentheses, I distribute to both terms on the inside, and I get 15x equals 12x plus 12. Thing is, I want to get all my x's on one side and all my numbers on the other, so how do I get rid of the 12x? I subtract it. I get 3x equals 12. How do I get rid of that 3? Well, it's the same way I get rid of it any other day. I divide by a 3, and I get x equals 4. That is all you do with the side splitter theorem.